Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 cargo. This Caddy Maxi comes with a 2-litre TDI engine pushing out to 122 PS. It is covered in the beautiful Indian grey colour with a metallic finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this Caddy comes with front parking sensors for extra safety, as well as electric heated power folding exterior mirrors and a heated windscreen to combat the cold weather conditions in those icy mornings. This Caddy sits on 16-inch wine silver alloy wheels. Moving around to the back, you have the rear parking sensors as well as the rear view camera system. This combination makes sure that you are confident and safe when you're reversing and maneuvering the vehicle, and you have the 2 rear wing doors to access the loading area. Opening the rear wing doors, you can see that there is a very spacious loading area that is fully metal lined for extra durability, along with the steel bulkhead at the front. You can access and enter all your belongings and equipment easily as well. You also have additional access via the sliding door on the side to be able to make it much more convenient and easier for you for when you need to get your belongings and equipment and you are parked on the side of a road. In front of the vehicle are 2 passenger seats covered in fabric cloth trim upholstery in titanium black with armrests on the side for extra comfortability, and you have a 10-inch fully touchscreen infotainment system. The infotainment system allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations on the DAB, FM and AM stations. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for personalized music, and you can use the sat-nav system to be able to get traffic updates and speeding updates to help you on your journey. In front of the driver's seat is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows the driver to skip through their favorite music, adjust the volume, use the inbuilt cruise control and answer calls. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 cargo. Thank you for watching and goodbye.